along with other people. Mr. Raman of the National Pension Scheme, under which now they are going to enroll our drivers or patrons or taxi owners. Then also Mr. Iyer, Mr.
Boss,
Smith,
excuse me.
all the other
Live on.
Hemant, all the other esteemed guests present here. I think today is a very important moment, and I think there have been quite a few moments which I myself have experienced along with the Goa Miles family, whether it was giving scholarships to students, whether it was giving them some tires, whether it was giving them some other incentives, means going far beyond the normal call of giving a car for you to drive, go make money, you drive, you get your money, I'll get my money. This has not been the motive. I remember a call given by Honorable Home Minister Shri Amit Shah ji. It should be like a cooperative, the way it is run. You should feel you're the owner. I think in Goa, the way Goa Miles runs, it is a classic example of exactly what he wants. They are like the owners of the vehicles. आणि हे उदाहरण जरी आख्या देशाक गेले जाल्यार कितले बरे जातले. But I must say another thing, and I have only one suggestion. I'm afraid I don't have much time because I have to go for a cabinet meeting and there are some important things to be discussed. It will be not to be late. But one thing I want to say, when you have launched this beautiful scheme of pension, I remember years ago and even now, there are some insurance companies which for 1 rupee a day, even to ordinary labor, if something happens, he straight away used to get a few lakhs, 1 lakh, 2 lakh. If something happens, God forbid, I am not saying anything should happen to you. If you are injured, used to get half the amount. If you link this particular pension scheme, tweak it in such a way that is just an idea, along with the pension, I think it will even make it more wholesome scheme, so that you are totally going to protect the drivers who I always say, taxi people are the real ambassadors of tourism, right from the beginning, the inception of Goa as a tourism destination. It has been growing from strength to strength, becoming the most preferred destination. But somehow, I call it a lack of understanding or misunderstanding. We have never been able to really rise to our potential simply because somehow people are scared or they have some misgivings or some serious misguiding being done in the name of app-operated taxis. And to survive in such an atmosphere, I must congratulate the Goa Miles family, all of you, particularly Utkarsh as well, and his team. It's not a joke to what our poor taxi drivers are facing, or the patrons who take it under Mukhyamantri Patron, taxi driver Patron scheme. It is not a joke what they face sometimes. But I think this is, you must realize, this is a evolving situation. This situation is bound to change. Their mindset have to change. And that mindset sometimes takes little time to change. You cannot accept change all of a sudden. You are not as competent to assimilate what is happening around you. Today the world has changed. We have got something, work from home after COVID. We have large companies making their people, the top people, the middle run people, other people work from home. So there if we can adapt to new things that are happening, and today we are a huge global village. We are connected with each other one way or the other with so much of communication taking place to and fro. But you know the reasons. There are certain people who just refuse to accept this. But I call it a very temporary phenomenon. It is bound to be resolved. We expect to resolve that sooner than one actually expects. I am doing my best in that direction. But I am glad that irrespective of whatever shortcomings that have been there, whatever difficulties that have been there, Goa Miles has been growing. Today I think you got something like 5,000 plus taxis and people working for you. their families are dependent on this, and you all must realize that actually you आमचे सगळे टॅक्सी आहात ते तुम्ही खऱ्यांनी आमचे एम्बॅसिडर कसे दूत कसे देशाचे गोंयचे आणि टुरिझमाचे. Just imagine a situation if there is no tourism at all. We will really suffer. And in recent times, for no fault of yours and no fault of some other people, we have been getting a bad name. I hope this will stop soon with good practices and a rekindled mind on part of some of the persons who try to agitate. Somehow they think some people think that by speaking very loudly, shouting, gathering, they can sort of force their will on others. This never happens. Ultimately, the right things will prevail. In fact, the Honorable Chief Minister is on record of having said, I will solve the problem soon. Right now, we have been solving another problem of illegal houses that he is trying to found a solution. He is trying to make it more wholesome. In every way, we have had to bring 3 acts just to do that, which will also help the people of Goa. Because right from 72, that time there were no rules and regulations. The houses were built, and so even they are being called illegal because there were no permissions required at that point of time. It is something like before 1991. People had bungalows on the beach also. There are some beaches like that. Now we cannot build. But there are houses which were there that time. So we have to look at everything carefully. All this is being put in order. And I'm sure in the same way, this business of having a taxi app will also come into order. Because I give a very simple example to everyone. Today when you can shop online, should the showroom, who have the best showroom, who have the best shops, who have the best display, should they complain? After Swiggy coming and other similar apps coming, should they complain that they are taking away our business? On the contrary, it has doubled the business. People come to the restaurant as well as they will order on Swiggy and all other apps. So it has doubled the business. Same way, today a commuter who does not travel by taxi because he thinks it is costly, tomorrow people will start traveling from everywhere. And even in a house, if there are 1 or 2 cars, there are 5 family members, all 5 know to drive. Only 2 can go out if they are going in one particular place, 3 are stranded. All these things count. So ultimately, there is no alternative to going digital. There is no alternative to being an app-based format. And I think in Goa, we have just got 2 such formats. One is Goa Miles, which is the most successful one, and success continues. Somehow that Goa taxi app has not taken off, and I'm afraid it will not take off also much as I see things happening. So I continued the good work, and I hope to see many more good things as far as Goa Miles is concerned in the future. We have been fully backing you. Honorable Chief Minister is also fully backing you as an app operator. That is our commitment to giving a digitized service everywhere possible, making things as transparent as possible, making things look clearer to the people, because people should know what is happening. Otherwise, why was RTI also introduced? So same way, when everything goes digital, when it is available on the website, when it is available openly on that particular platform, you can monitor where your car has reached, where your bus has reached, what time it will come here, like how it is there abroad. I think it's time, high time we move there, and we are moving. With this, I want to once again congratulate Goa Miles and each one of you for having done this wonderful thing about the pension thing, Mr. Raman particularly, and I hope you all will take cue, including Mr. Iyer as well, and Sumit, as to the policies of, if possible, integrate little bit of insurance in that, so people feel totally safe. And once they feel totally safe, they will give their 100%. Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you so much, sir. As so rightly mentioned that the captains of Goa Miles are